Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video we're going to learn what is a data science. Now basically here, as you can see, data science is an interdisciplinary field used to process and analyze and derive insights from different types of data. Okay, now what does interdisciplinary field means? Just like we have, let me just bring my pointer here. It's like we have MIS, which is Management Information System. Management Information System is also an interdisciplinary field that consists of IT and management for shortcut. So you combine management and IT, you get MIS. Same thing here in data science. If you combine all these majors or fields, you get a data science. Think of them, each field, kind of like a Power Ranger. If you guys remember Power Rangers, let's say this blue Power Ranger is math and stats, and yellow is CS, computer science, and the red Ranger is machine learning, and the pink Ranger is business expertise, and the green Ranger is data analyst. When they combine together, they have something called Megazord. So basically for us, data scientist is a Megazord. When you combine all these, you get this powerful person, or Megazord, I don't know. So same thing here. So data science is not like one or two, no, it's more than like 4 and 5 fields. They're all completely different fields. We have computer science, we have math and statistics, and we have business domain expertise, we have traditional software, we have something called machine learning, and then we have data analyst. If you combine all this together, you get something called data science. If you combine only math with computer science, you will get something called machine learning. If you combine business expertise with math and statistics, you get something called data analyst or data analyst. So, and you get the gist of this Venn diagram. So basically, data science is the study of data which involves developing methods of storing and analyzing data to effectively extract useful information so we can make informed decisions. So basically all this headache is all about that we have bunch of data, different type of data, maybe there are images, audios, bunch of text, numbers, whatever we have, and then we want to analyze that data, so at the end we can extract some useful information from it, and then we take a decision from that information. So at the end, this decision is going to improve my business. This is the main idea of data science. Now it relies on plethora of techniques. There are a bunch of techniques you have to do it. You have to visualize the data, you have to use statistics on the data, and you have to build something called machine learning models. And when you're going to do all these things, you're gonna start getting some sense of that data. And out of different families with data science, qualitative data analysis, data visualization, okay, these are basically the techniques here. So who is a data scientist? Is a person who does all these things. Is a person who's responsible of collecting and analyzing and interpreting large amount of data. You can say kind of like big data, but there's a difference between large amount of data and big data. We'll get to that later. To identify ways to help business operations or business processes. Basically, we're doing all these things so we can increase our profits, decrease the expenses, improve the business processes, all this stuff. So again, what is a data science? Is a field that analyzed and derive insights from data. Basically we have some business problem, and then we transfer that business problem, or we reformulate or formulate that business problem into data problem, and then we start extracting the data which is related to that problem, and then we start collecting the data, analyze the data, do some visualizations, apply some statistical tests, and then at the end we build something called machine learning model, and from that model we get some insights and from that insights we take decisions, and that decision will improve our operations or business processes. And that's a lot to take. Just stay with me and you will know in the next video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.